Hey guys, and today we're doing the ew, okay? Okay. Okay, I'm in the dark side. I'm at the dark part of it because it's so dark in there. Let me do it again. Why? Why? Okay, that didn't work. 5 times. Let me do it again. Let me try 7 times if I do the burp with it. Okay? If I can do with the burp with the okay? Oh, I'm probably gonna throw it. Be careful. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Okay. How am I supposed to do this if it is possible to do the burp with the ew? God dang it. Hold up. Wait for it. Wait for it. I just said ew without the burp. When I try to swallow it and do the burp, like it did not work, and then I just burped without saying ew. Okay, that actually works. And then I just said ew, and then I just said ew. I just said ew. Okay. Okay. Mine just need to say. Okay, where's the light? Okay. I hate this dark mode, so it's so dark in there. Okay. I just have to burp without turning on the light. I just need to burp. Okay, I just turn off the light without burping it. I just turn off the light. Okay. Okay, I just did it, okay? So if you guys enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. As always, peace.